wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Cantika Talia Salsabila and ID number 24220018. And this is my video for final exam Media and ICT for teaching. Let's watching. Okay guys, I'd like to present the lesson unit that I have modified as part of my reason for choosing the lesson unit. Okay, I want give for you why I choose the lesson unit. Yes, I give reason. I choose this lesson unit because the bekantan is an endemic animal from Kalimantan, which is highly relevant for students, especially when learning about Indonesian unique wildlife. This unit focuses on reading and listening skill and integrates scientific content about endemic species in line with the Merdeka curriculum. This topic is important because it connects language learning with real-world environmental issues and promotes local awareness of Indonesian unique biodiversity. And next, overview of the lesson unit. Now, let me give you an overview of the lesson unit. Okay, this unit is designed to help students understand and describe endemic animals of Indonesia, especially the pochis, monkey, or bekantan, using appropriate English. The learning objectives for this unit are: 1. Students are able to identify and understand important information about the proboscis monkey from a descriptive text. And number 2, students are able to compose and deliver oral and written description of animal using appropriate vocabulary and sentence structure. And 3, students are able to demonstrate awareness of the importance of conserving Indonesian endangered animals. And 4, students are able to participate in simple discussion about endemic animals and their habitats. And then, explanation of modification. I have made several modifications to improve this lesson unit. Let me explain each part. Introduction or lead-in activity. I changed this part by adding a visual map showing the distribution of bekantan in Indonesia and introducing a glossary of key vocabulary such as endangered, habitat, preserve, and primates. This was done to help students understand the reading content better and to expand their academic vocabulary before reading the text. Next, I want to explain you main activities. Main activities I did and modified activities such as: 1. A reading mean, map, and matching exercise to help students organize factual information visually. 2. A speaking activity that turns the dialogue into a simulated interview, where students take roles as journalists and primate experts. They create their own question and conduct interviews to activity to develop confidence and creative speaking. And the last, a writing activity that transforms a short paragraph into a group brochure project to promote bekantan conversation, allowing students to combine writing with visual design and persuasive language. Okay guys, next I want to explain you about assessment. I adjusted the assessment part to better match the objectives. I used matching quizzes and mind mapping to assess reading comprehension, speaking performance, Rubik for the interview, role play, and a project-based Rubik for the brochure. Open-ended questions were also included to assess students' critical thinking and writing expression. And next, technology integration. I used Google Slides to present materials, Canva for students to design their brochure, and Jamboard or Padlet for collaborative map mapping. These digital tools were chosen to make the lesson more engaging, interactive, and students can thrive, especially in hybrid or digital-friendly classrooms. And next, demonstrating the application or video usage. Now I will show you the application video in this lesson unit. Screen record or screen share tool platform or video, and explain but briefly how it is used in the lesson unit. I make Canva, Capture, and I make Google for my video. So for reflection, tap this modification. I learned how to make a lesson more effective and relevant for students. I also realized the importance of aligning material with student needs and using engine tools to support learning. The process helped me explore creative and contextual ways to improve student language skill while also raising their awareness of environmental issues. Okay, I will give you image about my lesson unit. I have 4 modification the lesson unit and the unit Bekantan. Okay, this is my laporan tugas modifikasi lesson unit. I choose chapter 1 exploring fauna of Indonesia, but I choose unit 1 about Bekantan. Okay guys, the first modification lesson unit page 23, ada modifikasi dan juga ada alasan modifikasinya. Okay, the second my lesson unit page 25. Okay, the third my lesson unit page 39, and the last my lesson unit page 30. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this modified lesson unit can be useful and inspiring for other teachers or lesson designers. If you have any feedback or question, feel free to share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.